One thing which you need to understand is most of them will say that double top is a reversal pattern, trend reversal pattern. So understand what a trend is. We are still in the uptrend. Even if we have a break and close below this, this might be doing a pullback. We will be Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on What's on My Radar. This is Janson. It's been a long time I haven't done a YouTube video, probably for 2 weeks I guess. Was quite busy. But anyways, I'll try to do some justice by doing the analysis on a couple of stocks and Forex and cryptos as well. So without any further ado, let's start with Nifty. So Nifty right now, we have an indecision. Okay, right now it looks like it's consolidating. So let's go down on the 4-hour time frame, and we have a double top. So this is the confirmation. Yeah, so we do have a confirmation on the double top, and always one thing which we need to consider is whether the double top is at the resistance. Now if you look left, we do not have any structures over here because Nifty is at all-time high, right? So what we can do is we can draw a couple of extensions from the previous history. So let's take from here, and there you go. We have 1272 lining up at the double top. So this is a reasonable double top. The only thing is I do not trade as soon as a double top is formed. I always need a confirmation, and for us to get the confirmation for the double top, we need a break and close below this level. Okay, let me remove all the rest of the lines and the Fibonacci as well. So one thing which you need to understand is most of them will say that double top is a reversal pattern, trend reversal pattern. So understand what a trend is. We are still in the uptrend. Even if we have a break and close below this, this might be doing a pullback. We will be in uptrend until we have a break and close below this one, because that was the previous pullback, a swing low. If you look left, or you just draw the lines, you see, swing high, swing low, higher low, higher high. So all this might be a deeper pullback. It's not a trend reversal, it is just a reversal, plain pullback. All right, okay, let's go to the lower time frame. Now 60 minutes is not giving any confirmation as of yet, but in the lowest time frame, like 15 minutes, we have a couple of pattern opportunities on this one. So one of the opportunities what I'm looking at is we have a pattern over here. So it is X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion somewhere over here. Okay, and completing over here makes a lot of sense because again, look left, we have structures lining up over there. So probably you might get a good opportunity on going for a long over here. Now that is if the market reaches over here. Okay, what if the market breaks and close above this high itself? So in that case, so high in the sense if we have a break and close above this high, let me change that color. Yeah, so if we have a break and close above this blue line, then we can go ahead and check for some extension for the extended targets. So what I mean by that is, if at all, if the market is going up from here, we need to know till where it can go. So for that, let's take the extension tool and try to draw from one of the swing lows over here. So this one, yeah, let's see. So we have 15361, 1541 and 15497. These are all lining up over here. So not sure, let's see for some confluence over here. And I'm looking at the immediate profit, not a long-term profit. Immediate target, not a long-term target. So what I mean by that is hopefully the Nifty can reach in these levels by next week. That's what I'm saying, if at all we have a break and close above this one. So let me change the color on this. So if you look at this, I have drawn two Fibonacci extensions, and we have 1414 and 1272 lining up over here. So 15361, and we have 1414 and 161 again lining up over here. So this should be your area of interest if we have a break and close above it. Okay, this one is this one, the next one is this one. So two target potentials. All right, so this is what I'm seeing on Nifty as of now. So yeah, that's about it. Next one is Adani Port. Adani Port, it's in an interesting phase because it's been going up for a long time. And the other thing is it might get a little confusing in this analysis. The reason is it's in an uptrend, but I'm expecting some pullbacks. So what I mean by that is if you go to a lower time frame, this is the 4-hour time frame, and we saw a very strong bullish candle on this Adani Port. Most of them will think that, okay, most probably the market will go even more higher, but before going higher, it can even do a pullback as well. So might be doing a pullback and then going up higher. So in 4-hour time frame, we have a spinning top. Now spinning top means it's an indecision candle. There might be a chance that it can do a pullback, and if it can do a pullback, where it can go down to, look left, we have a structure over here, or maybe I can draw a zone over there. So this is the structure what I'm looking for, where the market can go down to, if at all it is doing a pullback. Now the thing is, we have in 60 minutes we have a situation like this. Okay, now most of them may not understand what these candlesticks are telling you, but if you go even more lower time frame, you will see a clear breakout pullback just by looking at this 4 to 5 candles. Okay, now if you didn't understand that part, then let's go to lower time frame. So now you see what I was talking about. We have a break above this consolidation, okay, the zone which I have created, and then the market did an impulse move, okay, a pullback, and then another impulse move, a pullback. All right, and usually if the market is trending, then most probably the market will go higher again. Okay, so this is why I said in the starting that Adani Port can be in a tricky situation. So I wouldn't be surprised if it just shoots up from here, but we do not have any kind of candlestick confirmation. So if I have to trade on this one, then I will wait what the market is planning to do. I will not jump into the trade as soon as the market opens. Let it play whatever it has to do. Let me get some a confirmation or something, and maybe we might have a pattern entry over here. Let me check. No, it's not 127. So we don't have any pattern formation. So look on Monday whether we have any candlestick confirmation, and to understand whether it might go up. Even if it's a doji also, that's a good confirmation saying that there are probable chances that it can shoot up from here. But if at all, if it is doing a pullback, then we should be looking at this particular zone. Okay, now let's say that it gave you a confirmation, or it might even broke this resistance. Okay, where are we heading to? So for that, let's draw the extension just to see till where it would have gone. It might go, sorry. So we have 640 over here. Now that looks like a good number. 640 even handle at 127 level. of Fibonacci. That's a good resistance, I would say. So that is something which I'm looking at if at all the market is going up from here. Okay, so that's it about Adani Port. So watch out for this one. So like I said, if it's doing a deeper pullback, this is the area which you need to be concerned about. From here, maybe you might get a good opportunity. Let's draw a Fibonacci retracement and see whether that makes sense at all, whether that zone makes sense at all. Yes, it does. I would say now I have created a bigger zone because 50% is lining up with all these structure, not the 382. You see, 382 is not testing. So even though it is not testing, it's very near to the market. All right. So I would still create a zone like this. Okay. Market, if it reaches out over here, gives you a reversal signal, boom, you go in and jump in. Do proper risk management. Without risk management, you are bound to lose your account itself. So be very careful. If you have no clue about risk management, you shouldn't be trading in the first place. All right, so that's about the Indian market for now. All right, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has shied away from the 50k mark, probably like 30 pips away, I believe. So the thing about Bitcoin is, yes, it is going in an uptrend, but what I see is that it is losing its steam. Okay, it's losing its steam, and if you go to the lower time frame, we can see that the buyers are not able to push up the market or close beyond. That's what I would say. They have a swing highs are getting much swing lows are getting much higher every time. All right, however, they are not able to break and close above any of these highs properly. We just have spikes, we do not have a break and close above it. So that's why I said that might be having a might be losing its steam right now. So another thing what I've noticed is where is my the RSI also. If you look at it, can you see something? Let me remove all this. We have the market doing higher and higher, and the RSI is indicating lower and lower. So this is a regular divergence, but again, we need to have a break and close, at least one of the swing lows over here for us to confirm. Otherwise, it's a tricky situation right now. So if we have a break and close below this, then we can expect that the market can go and test this level of structure over here, which is in between 41 and 39k. So that is the pullback level which I'm looking at. If at all it manages to break down this, but if it doesn't, honestly, there is no point drawing the Fibonacci because it's very strong. But for the sake of it, let's just draw one extension on this. If it shoots up, where can it go? So we have 51,168 at 127 level, okay, and 52,700 around 1414 level. So and 1618 level as well, 54,913. If that is the case, I would consider 5500, making it an even handle number. So there are chances it can go up till there by next week as well, if at all, if it's going up. But mostly it might do a pullback, and that's what I'm seeing on this Bitcoin right now. Well, everybody is talking about Dogecoin, so I thought I'll do an analysis on that one as well. So nothing to do on this daily time frame. We have a very strong bearish closing on this. So let's do one time frame lower, and we have a pattern over here. We do have a break and close below all this spikes. So one of the pattern what I'm saying is it might do a bad pattern, I believe. Yeah, bad pattern where it is getting where the D is completed or getting completed around the structures. So there are chances that it can come down till D level and then probably do a retracement, or if we have a break and close above one of the highs, then there are chances that it can go even more further higher. Now till where it can go further higher, then what we can do is we can draw an extension. So let me remove this pattern. So we can draw one extension probably from here to here. Let's look at the nearby extensions. So probably it can reach near the 0.1 area. Okay, all this while we haven't even reached 0.1. So 1.272, it is giving you 0.10184. My goodness, so much of numbers. So yeah, 0.1 level, that even handle number that we can keep, where it is again a little shy away from the 1.272 Fibonacci level. So that's what I'm seeing on Dogecoin. Wait for the pattern to get completed and then let's attack. Alright, let's look at gold. Gold has been in a consolidation from a very long time, and right now it is resting at a very good level of structure. If you look left, one straight line, one horizontal line. In fact, I don't have to draw the line, you can see the price line itself. It is at the level of structure, and we do have a spinning top. Now most of them might get stopped out on this one. Now this is where all those fib patterns come into picture. Okay, there are multiple opportunities you might get in the lower time frame. So let's look at probably on 60 minutes time frame. So in 60 minutes time frame, we do have a couple of patterns on this. From one of them, what I see is, let's say if the gold is falling down, so till where it will fall down, I can look at this pattern. It's to A to B, A to C, yeah, it is, and CD completion somewhere over here. Okay, we can expect the market to come down and finish at the D level. So basically I'm looking at around a little below than 1800. Yeah, that's a good level. 1800 even handle, that is where I will look for a long opportunity. If that didn't happen, let's look at the other scenario. We do have another pattern which is forming over here, that is X to A. Is the B on the right side? Sorry, my mistake there. But anyways, doesn't matter, the D doesn't change. But this one over here, we have X to A over here, to B, to C, and CD completion somewhere over here, right at the level of structure. Again, look left. Okay, so there are multiple opportunities on gold in the 60 minutes time frame itself, and if you go to even more further lower time frame, that is a 15 minutes, then you will have only pattern opportunities, because you can see that the market has been in a consolidation from very long time. In fact, from starting from the January, it is consolidating. Before that also it was consolidating, but at least we did have some trend once in a while. Right now we need to wait when the market is breaking the structures, and then by the time it breaks the structure, probably the move would have already done. So, and you guys know that most of the time the market goes in a consolidation. 80% of the time gold will be in consolidation. Rest 20% of the time is the only time that the market, at least the gold trends. Gold, in fact, it's not 80-20, it might be 90-10. 90% of the time it will be in consolidation, 10% of the time it will be in trending. So when you're in consolidation, there is no other way much. Patterns are the best. Okay, so that's why I said that if you go even more further down in the down time frame, that is 15 minutes, you get a lot of pattern opportunities. But for now, I think this much is enough for the gold. USDJPY is another currency which I have in my radar. We do have the trend line which is breaking over here, plus we do have the 3-point move. Now what do you mean by that is, this was the previous swing high. Okay, let me change the color of that, and the market did a break and close above that that previous high. So we have this 1.2 and the third point. So we do have a start of the trend. If you don't know what this 3-point move is, then I'll put a link on the right side of the video. You can have a look at it, right top corner. Every time I make a mistake on that, so right top corner you will have an exclamation mark. You can click on that and then that video will appear. So you can have a look at that video as well to understand what I'm talking about on this one. Interesting cases. Right now we did a pullback again, exactly at the level of structure. Okay, we do have a Fibonacci level, I guess. Yeah, we are right at the 50%. We bounced off from there, and looks like it is not looks like I'm there in the trade and I'm on the short side. I wanted to go long. I was there and I booked the profit and then I shorted. Most probably you guys are confused. I'll explain you in a bit. So basically, on the lower time frame, I was able to enter somewhere over here. I was doing a swing trading, but in between on the 60 minutes time frame, yes. So I saw one pattern which is getting completed over there. So what I did was my long opportunity, I was able to enter somewhere over here. I don't remember. I need to go even more further time frame, but let's not do that. I'll just show you why I booked the profit. I had one pattern over here, okay, which is completing right over this level, not over here, probably over here. So I had a take profit over there, and I even had a sell limit pending order as well. Stop was above this, and I am targeting very nearby. So from what I'm targeting is first target is at 382, which is little away from my take profit zone, and another target is somewhere over here. Now why over here is because in the lower time frame, remember I am on the long side. Okay, so it is not over here, it is over here. Overall I am bullish on this one. However, in between I do tend to take trade because I am more into intraday trading. Now what happened in this is one, I'm taking out based on the Fibonacci pattern take profit zone. Another take profit why I'm taking is because I have an advanced pattern formation over here as well, which is getting completed over here. Okay, let me change the color for you. So this is my plan. If at all I get a candlestick confirmation at 382 or over here, I will go for a long opportunity again, targeting the highs. Okay, now the high is on the daily time frame high. Okay, that is somewhere over here. And that's a good opportunity. So this is how I target the with the daily time frame, going into the lower time frame where I'll get a maximum risk to reward on this. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then do hit that like button and do share it with your friends and let them know what I'm doing over here. And yeah, take care. I'll see you in the next video.